Let me start off by saying what an exciting time to be in the business. NCM, like our clients, have come along a journey of being a more holistic provider. Just like our clients want to have a value chain throughout the entire customer lifecycle on the retail automotive side, NCM has come along for that journey as well, being a provider throughout a number of series, products, offerings, etc. So whereas in the past you might have been part of an NCM 20 group, we're now taking that language and that information and helping the dealer translate that back to the management team at the dealership for more of an ongoing discipline of accountability. And when you're able to mate that then with technology so that NCM can better be with its clients when it's not with our clients, then you become that holistic provider that we've aspired to be.
Well, at the end of the day, we're still all about the dealer and helping dealers succeed. But what we now have is a bunch of new tools and a bunch of new resources to help the dealers, and then most notably the dealer groups that many of them are now in. So our ability to work with some of our OEM relationships, with the OEM tools, with the dealer-specific tools that we already have to build custom dealer group solutions is what excites me the most right now at NCM.
There's obviously such a move towards training and education in the industry. I think that with the dramatic changes we've had, people have realized that they've got to stay out in front of it. Our general management executive program, which is our most senior level of training, we've had to move from having one class to having 3 classes in just a year. And mostly, we just see so much growth within the industry. We have people cross-training their managers. You know, we have service managers coming to used car classes, and we have people sending all the way down to salespeople into some of our management classes.
You know, I think in general, NCM has really turned toward several different partnerships within the software space to provide our dealers with more insights into the data they're getting and to be able to understand kind of the metrics and the benchmarks, the things like that that are important to them in running their business. So I think the last 3 years, 4 years has been, monumental at NCM in the ability to do that, to get digital, get technical, and use the software to help our dealers.
I think because of NCM's access to data all the way across the spectrum of our company, we're in such a great position to provide a real incredible level of education to students because we can combine not just the theoretical, but also the data-driven part of it. And I think that the industry is moving more and more across the spectrum to data-driven solutions and analysis. And I think that NCM's been in place to do that for a long time, and so that's been really exciting to see over this past year.
The days of large front-end grosses might be gone, but the ability to translate your processes and procedures back into profitability at the retail level is still there. And successful operators get that and are still doing very well in this business despite the economic conditions and the disruption that's around them.